What's going on, guys? Today we are back. So it is a busy night tonight because we want to go wheeling tomorrow. We are getting Boy's truck, the gray 85 Toyota pickup. Got to put the bed back on it, finish up a couple of things, and it's good to go. Got to put lift springs, new trail gear springs in the front of the budget build, and some shackles in the rear. And yeah, let's get to work. Along with the leaf springs, we're also installing a brand new trail gear top plate and U-bolt kit to replace the old sketchy looking homemade top plate. Before the new leaf springs were installed, we removed one of the bottom leaf springs to just lower it a tiny bit. And now that the new leaf springs are in and the proper top plates are on, we can weld on the new bump stops. You know what? You're right, it's not nearly as raked as I was expecting.
With the engine's off the back though.
Yeah, I know, it'll be better. The truck is back on its wheels. It actually, you know what, the front end isn't as high as I was expecting. It's definitely taller. No doubting that. Once we get the weight off the back, we'll have to see exactly how raked it actually is. But, yeah. Alright, let's go put shift bushings in and otherwise. We continued working on the trucks into the night, and did go wheeling the next day. So stay tuned for that video on Friday. Anyways, guys, if you like stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.